What you eating, Ains?
Popcorn.
Do you like popcorn?
I do.
How much do you like popcorn?
So much.
What does popcorn make you feel?
Happy.
Happy? Can you do the happy food dance? That's the happy food dance? What kind of popcorn are you eating? Are you eating popcorn still? That's a lot of dancing you did for that popcorn. I'm going to eat some now. It's mine. My popcorn.
My popcorn.
Mmm. Thank you, Ains. I get another piece. Thank you.
You got another piece?
I'm done. That's enough. You eat it. Is it yummy? Num num. All right, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, Grandma.